So that's an Acura.
Yeah.
Wow, how old is it?
2017.
Never seen one. Never seen one like this.
There's 2,900 of them.
That's all there is.
Too many.
I love that. That's nice. It's like a flux capacitor in it, isn't it? Can I just have a look inside? Wow, dude. That is awesome. What a ride. Oh yeah, it's got the Acura on there, but there's no Acura outside, is there?
Not really. Wheels on some, but
That is cool. Love it. It doesn't need the gull wing doors for it to look fancy.
that would have been great. You can do it aftermarket, but
Dude, that is beautiful. Oh, you got the Acura on the wheels. So there's some huge discs, eh? Well, they're like 6-pot.
yeah.
Wow. Yeah. Glad I stopped off. What a nice car.
They're also hybrids, so it's
Oh, it's hybrid.
3 hybrid and then a twin turbo V6 as well.
Gee. It's beautiful, man. Thanks for showing it me.
Absolutely.
Cheers.